Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to get the TED Talk filter on TikTok. It's a very simple tutorial, so make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you're new, and also comment down below if you have any questions around the video. Love to help you out. The first thing you want to do is actually go on Instagram, because this is where we will find the filter. You want to go on your profile right here, click the plus sign, and click on story. From here, you want to swipe left once, no, actually right on the filters, until you find the search button right here. You click on browse effects. You want to click on search right here and type in slim shader like this. And when you look it up, here he is. You want to click try it. And if you record your face, like I can right now, you can do it. You can do a whole video around it, this card. But I don't really like my face right now, but you just record it like this. My face right now, but you click this option to save the video just like this. And all you gotta do is now is close Instagram, go on TikTok, click the plus icon, click on uploads, select the video, and click on select, and then you can click next and actually use it on TikTok. So this is how we do it. If you appreciate, give me a like, and I want to see you in the next one. Bye.